What's up, guys? Your boy Umar. Today we're talking about CRO token. Guys, we know it's been on a boom ever since we saw CRO going to take over the Staples Center and rename it to the crypto.com arena. Since then, guys, we've been seeing some massive price jumps, guys, going all the way from like the 0.10 cent mark just a year ago to hitting upwards of 97 cents US, so just under that $1 mark, guys, with an amazing platform. We've covered this coin time and time again, but today we have some updates and some price predictions for this project with different sources. So I'm excited for this one. Hope you are as well. Make sure you watch all the way to the end of the video to get all the juicy little nuggets. And in the meanwhile, guys, if you haven't already, make sure you smash that subscribe button and like this video to stay tuned with more CRO content. So guys, if you're not familiar with crypto.com, guys, it is this amazing platform where you can buy and sell and basically trade cryptocurrencies. Join 10 million plus users buying and selling 200 plus cryptocurrencies at true cost. Spend with your crypto.com Visa cards and get up to 8% cash back. Guys, they have these dope little metal cards. We talked about it so many times already, but if you're not too familiar with the platform, I definitely encourage you to take a look at the website, as it's such a dope platform. I personally use it myself, not sponsoring anything, but we've been covering this coin, guys, for the past 8 to 9 months. This is actually one of the first cryptocurrencies I started covering, right? They also have staking, guys, with upwards of 14.5%. Again, nothing crazy, but it's pretty good for a centralized exchange. I actually use it for staking, and a lot of people like it as well. It's a clean platform. But before we go into the crypto.com news, guys, what's happening in the crypto market? We're finally looking like we're headed back in some green days. Bitcoin up 4%, Ethereum up 3%, and guys, Ethereum looking bullish to hit 5K. A lot of people are saying maybe grab a bag. Binance is up, Solana is up, even Solana's looking bullish, guys, with all these NFTs. Cardano slowly getting back up. Cardano had a big hit, but in general, the crypto market took a hit and looks like it is back on a rise, and obviously that is good for CRO. Obviously, there was a little bit of dumping going on when the whole market was kind of going sideways, but we can still see for trading activity, 76% of people are still buying. People are coming and buying in that dip, and 24% of the people are still selling, which just means people are probably taking profits or they're just selling out of fear. And I highly encourage not to do that, as though I want to advise, I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research and due diligence before I jump into any project. But we are seeing CRO has been on a rise, and there's a lot of people predicting that the pump is not done just yet, and we can see this far past the $1 mark, as some critics say that it won't pass much over $2, but we do have a couple of different reports. So guys, we do know a little bit about the platform. Like I said already, it's a trading platform where they have these Visa cards, but also a very clean NFT platform where they're constantly collaborating with celebrities. I think right now they're about to have a drop with UFC, so they're always in the mainstream media when it comes to their NFTs. Oh, and we're looking like there's an NBA drop coming, which is pretty cool. Again, they're always staying on top with cutting edge pop culture and always just staying up to date. They're again crazy with marketing, guys. We know they've been in UFC, NBA, soccer, all sorts of different professional sports arenas, but as well, guys, closing that big Staples Center arena deal was obviously going to be massive, and it's definitely going to help push that price and get this brand out there, which is something us holders want to see. If you guys were following the videos and you bought in when I was started covering this one, that would be around the end of March. We're looking at price entries of just about 16 cents. I think it might have been early March then. About 16 cents is when we got in. I actually got in around 14 cents Canadian, but when I started covering this coin, actually it was around 16 cents US, and since then, guys, the run has been phenomenal. Even if you didn't sell at the top, guys, you're still holding a solid bag, and if some of these predictions do come true, guys, we could be seeing an even bigger bag, to be frank, right? Crypto.com price predictions, how high will CRO fly? And we're going to scroll down all the way to the bottom of the price predictions. You guys can read this if you want to, but again, they're just sourcing from other websites as well. But Wall Street Investor says CRO price will hit 90 cents at its year time and $1.55 in 5 years. According to gov.capital, CRO will hit $1.06, and it estimates in the next 5 years CRO will hit $4. And then Digital Coin Price suggests that CRO coin will be worth $1.05 by the end of 2021, increasing to $1.21 by 2022, and then it'll make a jump for 144, climbing to 177, and then in 2025 reaching that $2 mark. So we're seeing some pretty far jumps. This guy's saying $1.50, this guy's saying $4, this one's saying $2, right? And then price predictions on few sites brave enough to say crypto.com predictions for 2023 suggest this coin could go as high as $20.42 for CRO in 2022, $1 trembling to $3 in 2025. Now again, there's a couple of different sources, guys, that currency.com put together on different people's opinions on where it will go. However, guys, remember, even the best financial advisors can be wrong, right? right? Again, I'm not a financial advisor by any means necessary. Far from it, to be exact. Not even formally educated in finances, but I can tell you from day one, when I saw it at 16-cent mark and I saw the value it had, and I saw what was happening in the crypto markets and cycles, because again, I'm not new to crypto. I've been following this stuff from like 2014. I noticed that as the bull cycles continue, more and more people put their money in the market, hence bringing all the values of the coins going up. Kind of like inflation, right? It's always bringing the values of the currencies up. So from the very beginning, I predicted that CRO hitting $1 wouldn't be crazy. However, a lot of people put some labels, like this guy doesn't know what he's talking about. The market cap can't suffice. There's too many tokens in supply. Are facts, those statements. However, guys, when a lot of people start buying into a coin and the supply gets reduced in the open market, the demand gets raised, hence increasing these prices at Jurassic levels. No one ever thought Doge was going to hit $1, and it hit nearly 71 cents, I believe, in its prime. So again, not to just put a bunch of words out there, but it's not, I wouldn't see it impossible to hit that $3 mark, that $5 mark. I even claimed in some videos that we could potentially see it hit the $100 mark. Again, that would take a lot more. Even some of these guys are $20 would be, again, a great jump in price for most of us. But again, with aggressive burns, the crazy market strategies in place, I wouldn't see it to be impossible. However, like I said, I'm not a financial advisor by any means necessary, right? Another website, guys, CoinQuota, again, a very popular website, predicting for 2022 to see it hit about $3 by the end of 2022. For 2023, they're looking at about $5. 2024, the $10 mark. 2025, the $25 mark. Again, so the $25 mark is, again, people are putting out there. However, it is a very strong message to portray, because if it doesn't go up, there's going to be a lot of people upset. That's why people don't like to say it. They like to give these conservative numbers for most of the time, and usually if they do give these outrageous numbers, it's typically people take it as a scam or someone just putting something out there. So again, like always, guys, always do your own research and due diligence. I never encourage us to do exactly what I'm doing. I'm just sharing my opinions and my thoughts on this channel for you to watch for your entertainment purposes. Now, guys, we come to Reddit, guys. Reddit's always a fun place to go, but this person just wants to know, what do people think are going to be long-term price predictions? Should he sell? Does he think he could reach $5 by 2025? And again, people have their answers, their conclusions, their own thought process, which comes down to, guys, crypto is as much as investing as a business, but also it comes down to a lot of emotions, guys, especially when it comes to retail investors. When they invest with their emotions, sometimes it makes the market shuffle a little bit. Sometimes it makes coins that we wouldn't think pop off end up popping off, because there's just so much like community around this. And with crypto.com doing these great marketing ploys, guys, and again with the Staples Center Arena and their clean platform, I'd only imagine this platform to go bigger and bigger. And as they continue to burn supplies and more people start jumping in, more and more people start staking, and there's less coins on the open markets, we'd obviously see that price rise. However, guys, like always, it's not financial advice. You gotta always do your own research and due diligence before investing in any of the parts that we cover on this channel. So let me know in the comment section below what your price predictions are for the end of 2022. Do you see it hitting the $3 mark? Guys, I'm pretty bullish. I wouldn't be surprised if we hit the $5 mark, but again, I'm out there. I like to make these outrageous claims, and it's really fun when they come true, because then I get to say, ha, I told you so. But let me know what you think in the comment section below, guys. Until next time, it's your boy Umar. Remember, only invest the money you're willing to lose, and do your own research and due diligence. Peace.